Hey guys, this is Steve here at Hankster's Hot Rods. Before we get to the newest addition to our inventory here, we're going to go over some things that we're doing here that give our customer a little bit more of a better experience purchasing a vehicle from us. If you see a vehicle on our website at www.hanksters.com, and maybe it doesn't have the options you would like it to have, maybe you'd like it to have different wheels and tires, a different exhaust system, a different hood, stripes, maybe you want vintage air conditioning, maybe you want fuel injection, or digital gauges, or so on and so on, give us a call. We'll get you a quote what it would cost us for us to do that here right at our location and make that vehicle perfect for you. Also, we want to remind everyone that we have shipping and powertrain warranty included in mostly every vehicle on our website. Shipping is within the 48 states, and a powertrain warranty is 3 months or 3,000 miles, engine, transmission, differential, internally lubricated parts. Of course, if it's a four-wheel drive vehicle you want to get from us, that would include the transfer case or front differential as well. Also, we want to remind everyone that we have financing for our vehicles. If you go on our website at hanksters.com, you click on the financing tab next to the vehicle that you're interested in, fill out the application that pops up once you click on the financing tab, fill out that application, hit submit or enter down at the bottom left, we receive it, we send it out, and we go from there. Also, if you'd like to go on YouTube, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can see our current videos for our current inventory, including this one, and some videos of our past inventory as well to get a sense of what we bring in here at Hanksters. Well, we're not going to hold off any longer. We'll get right into it. Our newest addition here, we have this beautiful 2009 Ford Mustang Bullitt edition. First thing you notice about it, is the paint. It is in the correct color of the Highland green that it had came in new. Paint on this car is really nice, really high gloss, in great shape. Second thing you notice is the wheels. It does have the factory Bullitt edition wheels on it. Of course, that is at all four corners. You'll notice one thing, the car has no badges on. The Bullitts did not have badging. They were debadged. That was one of the cool things about them. Our first gap driver's side, between the driver's side front fender and door. Gaps on this car are all beautiful, and this gap is no exception. It's even the whole way down. Your body lines are right on the money all the way up. Our driver's side windshield, no chips or cracks. We do have the dual exterior mirrors. They, of course, are in black. The driver's side glass and quarter glass, no chips and cracks on those either. And, of course, these are tinted. Now, our second gap driver's side door, the quarter panel. Very even the whole way down. Of course, your body lines line up right on the money. And we do have the door handles are also body color as well. What I'm going to do, I'm going to open up the driver's side door. We'll look at the interior from this point of view. You can see the interior on the car is beautiful. Very nice condition, power seat, just all the options. It does have, of course, the manual shift on the floor there with the factory aluminum shift knob. You got the leather wrapped steering wheel. You can see the dash is in fantastic shape. The door panels, really great condition inside. Moving along towards the back of the car. Back window, no chips and cracks, is tinted, and of course you've got the rear defrost as well. Coming towards the back of the car, you got the faux fuel door here, kind of like an ode to the original Bullitts. You got the dual exhaust down here. This car has the Corsa exhaust on it, and you can see the Corsa tip sticking out. The rear bumper fascia is in great shape. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to pop the trunk here, and we're going to look over everything in here. Of course, we do have the remotes for the vehicle. Underneath the trunk, this is in body color. Of course, you can see your trunk light does indeed work. Inside the trunk jamb, beautiful condition. Weather stripping, still like new, definitely intact the whole way around. Down here in the trunk, we have the mats that go with the car. Of course, you can see the trunk does have a really nice WeatherTech mat that covers the whole inside, and the carpeting underneath is in great shape, and you do have a inflator kit down in here as well. Moving along, coming over to the passenger side of the car. Again, the paint is really nice. It's really a deep green, and the condition of the paint is beautiful. Passenger side glass, quarter and door, no chips and cracks, and of course those are tinted as well. Our first gap passenger side between the quarter panel and the door. Very even going down. Of course, your body lines all line up very nicely. What I'm going to do now is open up the passenger side door. We'll go over the interior from this point of view. You can see the passenger side, the dash, the center console, the seats, all in great shape. The carpeting, very, very nice. Just great condition. You got the Bullitt edition door sill plates and interior trim, really nice inside. Now our second gap passenger side between the door and the front fender. Again, just like the rest, even body lines, right on the money. They're all great shape. Passenger side of the windshield, no chips or cracks. And of course the gapping from the hood to the fenders, parallel, really nice and even. Another fun little addition on the car that you can't see is the car has a clear bra on it. So it has a clear paint protection for the front end. That's why the front end's in such great shape. So that's another nice option that the car has. Our front grille, no chips and cracks, no missing pieces. The front grille's in great shape. Headlight buckets, all in great shape. Front fascia, really nice condition. You got a little bend in the panel here, but overall, it's in great condition. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to pop the hood and we'll go over everything in the engine bay. Underneath the hood here, what we have engine-wise is the 4.6 liter Ford small block V8 that comes in with the Bullitt, a little more horsepower than your regular GTs. Of course, we have the factory strut bar here with the Bullitt number plate for the car's identification number with your VIN present. Good running engine here. Of course, these 4.6s, and this one has a little bit of aftermarket additions on it. We got the BBK Power Plus Twin 62 millimeter throttle body here. We got MSD coils, and then we have the green high performance air filter. Nice little additions to it, higher cam in it. Great running car. This thing runs fantastic and sounds amazing. You can see under the hood, it is clean. Very, very nice condition. With the low miles on it, you would expect that. What we're going to do now, guys, is we're going to put this up in the air. We're going to show you how nice it is underneath. Guys, we've got our Mustang Bullitt up in the air. We're going to do our undercarriage review as we always do. Starting at the front, your control arms definitely look to be a stock style there. We do have Ford Performance lowering springs on the front here. We have disc brakes on the front. We do have a front sway bar as well. Our front cross member here, that's beautiful. That's in great shape. Looks really good. The underneath of this car is very, very nice. Our crossbar here, also great condition. Our front sections of frame, looks great. And looks great. Our oil pan on our Ford 4.6 V8. Our rear main seal. Our K-seals on our T5 Tremec, manual transmission, and our output seal, all nice and dry. I don't see any leaks on any of those. We do have dual exhaust on the vehicle. We got exhaust headers on this vehicle here. Oxygen sensors present. Coming into an X-pipe, and then we got a Corsa axle back, exhaust back there, and we're going to see that as we get back there further. Of course, our heat shields, all present and intact. As you can see, the underside of the car, the flooring up until this point is beautiful. The underside of the car is very, very nice. Our transmission cross member, also great shape, intact there. Move along. More of our heat shields here, all present. All the fasteners are there, all tight, all looks great. Up in here, the floor, coming the whole way back, the floor is beautiful. Every little weld, very, very clean under here. Coming back, we got our X-pipe and exhaust system here. Moving on back, the exhaust goes up over and up over the axle. Back is a Corsa exhaust system. Our links look great and look great. Our input seal at our differential, also nice and dry, no leaks there at all. And we also have disc brakes on the back. So we got four-wheel disc brakes on the vehicle here. We got the rear sway bar as well. Our differential seal, nice and dry there, no leaks or anything there, that looks great. Stock shocks on the back, still got the Ford tags on them there. The flooring up above the differential, very nice condition. Everything is very, very clean. Every little surface, you can see the metal there, it just looks great. And you can see our exhaust comes here, our Corsa exhaust comes out in the chrome tips. Our flooring up above here, also fantastic shape. Our rear frame sections look great. And look great. Our crossbars here all look fantastic. And like I said, disc brakes on the back as well. All in all, it looks fantastic under here. Very, very clean, very nice shape. But what we're going to do now, we're going to lower it down, fire it up so you can hear the engine run.